now, sum number 19 of NPO, Not for Profit Organization, NCRT. As on March 31st, 2017, the following balances have been extracted from the books of Indian Chartered Accountancy Recreation Club, and you are asked to prepare trading account for ascertaining gross profit derived from the running restaurant and dining room, income and expenditure for the year ended on 31st March 2017, and balance sheet. So in this sum, they had given you trial balance. From trial balance, we have to prepare trading account, then income and expenditure account, and the balance sheet. So whatever receipts and payments you used to get item from receipts and payments, this we will get it from the trial balance. So trial balance, you will see there are items on the debit side like stock in hand purchase, dining room rent, wages, repairs of renewals, fuel, fixed deposit, china glass, cutlery, linen, billiard table, fixtures and fittings, furniture, club premises. While credit side, receipts of dining room, subscription, billiard receipts, Sunday receipts, interest on fixed deposit, Sunday creditors, grant from institute, income and expenditure, and 1/4/16. And on March 31st, 2016, stock of restaurant consisted 900 and rupees 60 respectively. Provide depreciation for 60 on fixtures and furnitures, and 390 on billiard table, and 560 on furniture. So there are in this sum they had given trial balance. So from trial balance we have to go through all the items. So very first thing, we will make a tick mark on stock of restaurant. So stock of restaurant means, you will see here, stock of restaurant means opening and closing stock of restaurant. There is an item which will be opening and closing in the balance sheet. While provide depreciation for fixtures and fittings, billiard table and furniture. So make a tick mark on fixtures, billiard table and this furniture. Clear? Start. So now we will first transfer all the items of credit side to the respective this. So first 70, then income and expenditure account, and then balance sheet. So in this all items, very first thing, one by one we will be transferring. Receipts of dining room. Receipts of dining room. This is an income of from the restaurant. So transfer that to trading account, credit side. Then subscription. It is an income. It is an income, subscription and income of income and expenditure, credit side, subscription 9450. Then billiard receipts, again income, billiard receipts 7300. Sunday receipts means Sunday some functions are there, then you had receipts of 410 rupees. Interest on fixed deposit, again this is an income only, interest on fixed deposit. Then comes your sundry creditors. Come to your closing balance sheet. Over there write down sundry creditors. You can write down first item also. Then grant from institute, permanent 42,000. So it's a once a time you are getting 42,000 as a grant. So directly transfer to the liability side of this grant from institution. Then income and expenditure account 1380. Now this is what 1380 income and expenditure account means. This is transfer from the income and expenditure of the previous year. So that will be reflecting as in the closing balance sheet capital fund. In the closing balance sheet capital fund. Very first item 1380. Now we will switching towards the debit side. So on the debit side, very first is stock in hand. So stock in hand, this is opening stock in hand. So come to your trading account, stock in hand debit side 1170. Then purchases, very next to trading account debit side, purchase is 24660. Dining room, again same, dining room 32370. Then rent. Now rent will be income and expenditure, debit side. Very first item, rent, 10,470. Then comes your wages. Same over there only, income and expenditure, wages. Then repairs and renewals. It will be again same over there only, income and expenses. Fuel and light. Again in income and expenditure, 5280. Then comes your next miscellaneous expenses. Again same in the income and expenditure expenses side. Cash in hand, cash at bank. This is opening cash in hand. Sorry, this is your cash in hand, cash at bank at the end of the year. So closing balance sheet 560 and 2760. Then fixed deposit 8500. Come to your balance sheet itself. Fixed deposit 8500. Then sundry debtors. It's an asset. Sundry debtors. So again come to your asset. First item. Then china, glass, cutlery and linen. These are all assets in the firm. In the restaurant, they are all assets. So in the assets, you have to write down china, glass, linen and cutlery. Billiard table itself an asset. That is 2070. In the inner column, you will find 2070. Because depreciation is there. We have made a tick mark already. Fixtures and fittings, again we have made a tick mark, again inner column. And furniture also, inner column we have made a tick mark. And club premises is an asset. So transfer club premises as an asset. That's it. Now come to your adjustments. On March 31st, that is your previous year closing and this year opening. Stock of restaurant considered as 960 respectively. So in this your closing stock is standing at 960. Come to your trading account, credit side, closing stock 960. Directly you have to write down by addition 900 plus 60, and which will be reflecting in the asset also as closing stock 960. Provide depreciation 60 on fixtures and 390 on billiard tables and furniture. So come to your assets, depreciation you charge in the respective items, billiard tables, fixtures and fittings and furniture. And all the three items will be transferred to so outer column billiard tables gives you 1680, furniture gives you 3580, fixtures and fittings gives you 810. So this all items are transferred. These depreciations have to be transferred to income and expenditure debit side. Depreciation billiard table 390, fixture 60 and furniture 560. Outer columns gives you 1010. So this way your all the items of adjustments are over. Now we are making the total of this. So very first come to your trading account. So trading account total, by looking at total we will observe that 88620 is a total of credit side, of which debit side there are only three items, 1170, 24660 and 32370. So you will get difference is gross profit. So that difference of gross profit is to be transferred to income and expenditure, income side, as gross profit transfer from trading account 30420. Now again make a total. By looking at the total, you have to do both the total and the rough, and you will see income side is more 47850, of which you will get surplus 29450. Transfer this surplus to balance sheet, surplus 2950. So you will get the surplus 2950. Now, while doing the total, there will be the difference of rupees 60 you will get, and that 60 is a suspense account in the sum, because your trial balance also have that difference. That way only this final answer will get 51,700. So you have to make a total of asset side. Asset side total will differ with liability side, then that difference will be your suspense account rupees 60. So that is to be adjusted. This way 19 sum goes to 19 sum gets to end. Thank you.